Whatever happened today, good, bad, weird, stressful, just give yourself permission to put it down. Right now, this moment is just for you. Take a slow, deep breath in and out. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Soften your gaze or close your eyes completely. There's nothing you need to do here. Just be. There's no past here, no story you need to carry, and there's no future you have to plan or predict right now. You're not behind, you're not late, you are exactly where you are meant to be. Imagine yourself floating on a calm, glowing lake. The water's warm, golden like honey in the sun. You're supported, held, weightless. And in this moment, nothing exists except now. No future, no past, just this beautiful pause in time. The present moment is the only time over which we have dominion. Let those words sink in. You are in control, only here, only now. And that's more than enough. Bring your awareness to your breath, the rise and fall, the gentle rhythm. It's been carrying you all day, quietly, without asking for anything. Now imagine a soft beam of light, your favorite color wrapping around your shoulders. Warm, protective, soothing. It's like the universe itself. It's tucking you in, whispering, "You're safe. I got you." Let that light slowly melt down your body, through your chest, your arms, your belly, all the way down to your legs and toes. With every breath, feel yourself dropping deeper into stillness. With every exhale, releasing what's not yours to hold. Let's try this together. Say it in your mind like a quiet prayer. Right now, I am free. Say it again, slower this time. Right now, I am free. Not forever, not next week, just in this moment, you are free. Free from overthinking, free from pressure, free from timelines and expectations. You are not a problem to be solved. You are a presence to be felt. Let that truth wash over you. You don't need to improve or fix anything in this moment. You're not behind. You're a living, breathing being. And being is enough. Let it all go now. No more thinking, no more reaching. Just feel this breath. And now this one. And this one too. Each inhale is a gentle reminder, I'm alive. Each exhale, I am allowed to rest. In this moment, you are everything you need to be. No effort, just experience. And honestly, that's powerful. Let's take one final deep, full breath together. Inhale all the way into your belly and hold. And exhale any tension, pressure, or lingering thoughts. You did it. You gave yourself this moment, and no one can take that from you. You can come back here anytime. No future, no past, Just you, just now, just peace. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers or open your eyes slowly and take this stillness with you. You deserve it. I will see you guys soon. Bye, my loves.